Your Amazon business has a massive management gap, and here's how to fix it. So management gaps are such a pain if you have to come back into work and you're trying to get things done, right? Your team members are messing up constantly over and over and over again, or you're trying to train and nobody's trainable all of a sudden. It comes down to one thing, and in my professional opinion, it's going to be SOPs. So there's a management gap. SOPs, the most boring, stupid, dumb, whatever you want to call it. It's the most amazing thing, by the way. And it's a breakdown, like a checklist that you do. You make it idiot. Just like how McDonald's makes their burgers the same every single time and their French fries. How did they do it? Well, you're going to copy them for your business, and that's how you're going to succeed. You're going to run this business like a franchise, and that way you can maintain your business, right? Not go up and down and up and down. You want to go up, and you want to at least maintain and slowly go up even further and further and further. It's about maintaining, and that will be performing and getting a 4% ACOS, right? And you can totally get that on Amazon ads. And here's an example. Before running ads, we have a checklist, right? Oh, we want to run ads. Somebody wants to run ads. Client wants to run ads. We're about to run ads. We have our team. Hey, look, before you run ads, you've got an SOP, right? It's a standard operating procedure. It's a checklist, pretty much. Fancy way to say it's a nice checklist. And we have a video on how to do it. Videos, breakdown, right? The written breakdown. Videos always work the best. If you do a video, you really need to be concise and to the point. So if it's too long, they forget. So usually we have a video and we have written text. So again, A+ content, images, inventory status. Before they're running ads, we need to make sure they're in stock. Before we're running ads, make sure they have enough stock. Before we're running ads, they stand out, the price, things like that. Or else we have to notify the client that, hey, it's probably not going to work out. It's probably not in your best interest to run ads because you're just going to lose money. You can utilize tools like Trello to keep things organized and get your SOPs there. We use Monday.com. Here's a quick example. Right when there's a problem and we resolve it, we create an SOP. Now, of course, the team doesn't like creating SOPs because they are a pain. They're very boring. You have to make it super specific, super concise, or people won't understand it. And include a video is my favorite. If you don't include a video, having images and having references of completed tasks previously is going to help tremendously, right? So here's an example. An eBay account got suspended and we were able to get it reinstated. And now we have this step by step on how we got that reinstated. So if it ever happens again, we're not scratching our heads. How did we do this before? We've got the exact same technique in here that will most likely work the same. Loom. This is how you can record videos. So you can record it via Loom. You can record it via Zoom. There's other ways. There's some free options as well. Storage, Dropbox. If you have Dropbox, you can share files and you can integrate it into your system. This is one of the most powerful. So again, we use Monday and we use Dropbox. We don't use the other two. And then the biggest thing is AI. So AI, if your team doesn't know AI, then it's a lot harder for them to make decisions. You want them to be able to make decisions by themselves. And if they're able to prompt AI, speak to AI, and know how to utilize AI properly, most of the time, the SOPs aren't even needed. They can actually just ask the AI. And if they know how to properly ask the AI, they'll get the right answer every single time and know exactly how to complete most of the tasks. I would say 90% of the tasks, all the SOPs can be done through AI. So this is probably going to be the best thing that you can do right now. What almost all businesses have been doing is creating these boring checklists. But again, your checklists, they need to have videos too. So videos with a written breakdown. My team likes to do pictures, so big screenshots with a written breakdown under each image as well. So like a step-by-step via image, I like to do step-by-step via video with a timeline, chapters, and then kind of a written format. But that's pretty much the gist of it on how to succeed. It's going to be a lot of learning, a lot of going in and making sure you're consistent. If people aren't consistent, make sure you pretty much fix that as quickly as humanly possible. A small problem is a big problem. That's what we kind of focus on because small problems always become big problems when it comes to business. So right when there's a small problem, make it seem like it is a big problem and it'll stop happening, right? That's my recommendation. If you need any help with Amazon management, whatever you need, feel free to go down below, click our link. You can go to our website and contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.